Hello everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Today I want to talk a little bit about batteries for the DJI. This is the Mini 2, and I've had a lot of fun with this, but I don't get to fly it as much as I would like to, and that's why I'm making this video. The batteries. Have you ever put your stuff away? You get it all charged up and put it away, and then later you get it all out, you're getting ready to go flying and make some videos, and your batteries are dead. I mean, how disappointing is that? Well, I found out something new. These batteries, and they don't have to be in the case, these batteries, for one thing, did you know there's 2 battery packs in this one battery? And on your remote, when you're looking at your phone, you can go into the battery settings and check on how much is in the battery, and it'll tell you if they're both topped off or whatever it is. But that wasn't exactly what I was going to tell you today. But anyway, I told you anyway. But the reason that the batteries are only, they go dead when you store them, is because this is designed by DJI to be stored at around 50% charged. If you have it charged all the way up, there's electronics in here that will make this drain all the way down to nothing if you store it fully charged. I was told, and I haven't tried it yet, that if you draw the charge down to about 50% and you store it, then when you bring it back out of storage, whether it's a week or 2 weeks later, it should still have the 50% charge. I'm going to try it, and hopefully in a later video I will be able to show you that. Another thing I just wanted to tell you, that when you get yours, if you get the 3-pack of batteries like I did, it makes a lot of sense to number your batteries. This is 2 and 3, and 1 is in my drone. Take it out here. Now this is number 1. Number 1, 2, and 3. The reason you want to do that is because you don't want to be taking the same battery out and recharging it and not rotating your batteries. You need to rotate your batteries. So when 1 is dead, put it to the side. Use number 2. When that one's dead, put it to the side, and then use number 3. And then when you've used that one up, you should have 1 and 2 charged back up, and start back with number 1. And that will prolong the life of your batteries. And also, charging your remote. I haven't found out anything about charging it. The remote seems to hold the charge fairly good. I've charged this maybe 2 times, and today I put it on the charger because it was down 1 green light. So I went ahead and charged it up because hopefully I'm going to be able to get out and do some flying. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Make comments below. And don't forget to check out my links down below and my merch tray for my merchandise, which I have this shirt and some cups and things like that that will help support my channel. So anyway, this is Harold. You guys have an awesome day, and I will talk to you later. You guys, thanks for watching.